What's up, buttercups? Oh my gosh. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Behind me is my 1972 Jaguar XJ6 that I'm LS swapping right now. Today we're going to be looking at my least favorite part of the entire car building process, which is wiring. Let's get started. Oh gosh. So this is my wiring harness that I have just made, and I took out all the unnecessary parts like EGR, AC, some other things that I forgot. But yeah, this is what is pretty much left, and so we're gonna use that, plug into the Jag, and hopefully everything should work. I don't know if it's gonna lead to a fire, but hopefully not. But yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, so we are getting ready to fire up the car for the first time, and I need to fill everything with oil. So I didn't have one like a funnel, so I made my own out of that guy. So hopefully it works. I just don't want to spill oil everywhere, so let's see what happens. Oh gosh. And I probably should be doing this with two hands, but sometimes in life. Nope, I don't see any leaks from the oil pan. So that's good, I guess, for now. I guess we'll not know until we start this thing. So next, I need to finish running this fuel pump line. I think that's it. Yep, fuel pump output. So yeah, I need to figure this out. There's a hole right underneath here that I'm probably gonna run it through. It goes into the car, which is weird. And the car looks like it came like that too. Well, the factory. So I might also put the fuse block in there and this bad boy too in there. This is the PCM. I got the PCM. It's unlocked. It's the VAT is deleted. I've added the fans. I haven't wired the fan relay inputs yet, but I'm working on that. Whew, okay, time to run this freaking wire. Probably not going to be long enough, so I'm going to make another one and then run it and then meet in the middle. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm pretty terrified about this, but it'll be fine. So I am taking the power wire to plug in, and hopefully it all goes well. But before I test the electronics, I always have fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. So I was having some starting issues, which was probably from the starter. And so I did some testing and some electricalness, and I was just like, I'm just gonna disconnect everything from the key because I don't think my key wiring was the best. So now, you guys can't see it, but if I touch both the red and the yellow wire together, oh my gosh. So it's actually, the starter's working, so we can know that I have a good ground at least. And so now, I need to plug in the PCM. Oh my gosh. And I've also, since I drained all the oil out, I needed to prime the oil pump so it kind of circulates cool, builds up oil pressure a little bit. So now, time to plug in the PCM. I've put fuel in the fuel system. I've put all the fluids, water, and the water thingy, radiator, power steering, oil, everything. God, please let nothing blow up. Okay, I'm gonna plug in the ECU and see what happens. If I can listen to the fuel pump, if I connect to the ignition and the power wire together. So I'm gonna keep this down and see what happens. That was there's a fuel pump. Okay, I'm gonna check for leaks real quick. Oh my gosh, the fuel pump literally came to life. This is so exciting. Now, we know the fuel pump works, my grounds work, so that's good. I don't see any leaks for now, even though the fuel pump has been primed. You can see it looks good over there. So, I'm gonna try and see what happens. Oh my gosh, it's terrifying. Let me see if there's any leaks in the fuel rail. I don't see anything. First try at starting. Please don't blow up, please don't blow up, please don't blow up. The check engine light that I wired is also on. 3, 2, 1, go. It started! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It started on the first try. Oh crap, that's bad.
Hey, that's how
I need to see what happened. Oh, that's where it's leaking from. Whoopsie, my bad. Yeah, I didn't. Wow, that's.
I'll be honest, I'm glad we were here to see.
Oh. Okay, no fuel leaks. Oh, maybe there's one back there, but. So excited. I was so excited. Like literally the first try.
The next day.
Yesterday, I started the Jag for the first time, and the video quality was not the best, so I'm gonna try to start it again. I really hope nothing goes wrong this time, but I'm gonna actually use my better camera, which is what I'm holding in my hand. So, oh, everything's unplugged. Okay, we're gonna start it and see what happens. So I'm gonna do all the connections and make sure it wasn't a fluke yesterday. I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna put this on this glorious tripod. It started. Oh my gosh, it is just the best feeling, guys. I still need to diagnose, there's still some fuel pressure stuff that I need to fix. So I noticed a few leaks, which are in the back, like fuel leaks. So I need to figure that out and fix it. So I need to tighten some bolts and nuts, and yeah, we'll try again and keep on trying until there's no more leaks. There's also, I think, a leak from the power steering pump place. So I'll need to figure that out as well. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm just studying more of the wiring diagram so I can figure out all the wiring for this, because it is a challenge, because we're dealing with the Lucas system, which is one of the worst electronic wiring diagrams ever. I honestly thought it was going to burst up into a fireball. You saw I had my fire extinguisher, I had a bunch of stuff just to be safe, because you never know what's going to happen with all the electricity, the fuel, any leaks, the battery I got it from Pull Parts. I didn't even know if it was good or bad, but yeah, apparently it's good. What's it called? And yeah, this has just been terrifying, but it's just been so rewarding in every way that I can think of. I'm so glad that I started out building this car. I hope I don't regret saying those words later on, but yeah, I just need to figure out all the wiring. I have made the custom drive shaft, so we'll probably try to get this driving. I just also need to connect the transmission cable, the shift cable to the transmission, which I've been having some issues with, but I'll resolve it. It'll be fine. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm so pumped for this. Hopefully we should be driving this very soon. I'm just waiting for my other set of U-joints, which bolt from the Jaguar rear end to the drive shaft of the 4L60E. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this golden video, and I'll catch you guys in the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.